Hi everybody, it's Tom from FindTheBestCarPrice.com. If you need to change a tire on your 2023 Honda CR-V and you've been successful up to the point where you found this lug nut right here and you're saying to yourself, I can't get the lug wrench to attach to that and actually do anything, here is the solution for you. That is the wheel lock. And I'm going to show you what you need to get the wheel lock off at all four corners. You need the wheel lock key, and it's going to be in this bag. You can see the lug nut right there and the wheel lock right there. Most likely you're going to find this bag right where I just found it myself, within the glove box. And inside of that bag, if I can get it out, is the wheel lock key. That's what this is. So that's going to attach to the lug wrench, and then you're just going to put that on right here. I'll show you how it fits. It fits snugly once you get it on there, and as you can see, that's on just like it should be. So that's what you need to finish the process of changing the tire on your 2023 Honda CR-V.
To learn more about the model in today's video, visit the link in the description for a detailed comparison between trims and pricing for the vehicle we featured or any vehicle you may be interested in. These pages feature information such as our recommended trim level based on price, value, and features. Thank you for taking the time to watch today's video. We look forward to seeing you next time.